Press recording. Let's begin our today training session. The first thing we're gonna do, surely we're gonna randomly pick the asset we're gonna practice on. With this Python code, we have this guy today, NAS100. And what about that 15 weeks window? Alright, so these are the dates. So this is the asset, and this starting from this date, and we're gonna end in this date. Let's go. NASDAQ. Alright, get rid of, not get rid of, drag them away first, and we go all the way down to here, next to the 100. Oh, nice, can't see anything. And let me check out if there's any drawing. Yes, there's some drawings, so we're gonna remove it first. Those drawings are something left previously, but it's fine. Okay, what date do we have? We're gonna start from 2024 January 25th, 25. Okay, so then we're gonna put it here, 24, and January 25. The reason why I'm doing this way is because so that I can perfectly got it from here. See, I believe this is the 23 May. What? Hide it, hide it, hide it. Okay, do it. Let's do it again. January 25 here, and this should be 23 December 20, 25. Okay, good. What is this one? January 24. Yeah, exactly. That's what we're looking. Now, next step is to click the replay. Okay, and come to this line. Now, we can see nothing. Okay, after these dates. And what is the ending date? Is May 9. Great, then we find May 9 here. Usually we need to put weekly so that we can see it. May 9. Alright, May 9. This is March. Okay, May is here. 9. Okay, 13 is okay as well. Roughly 15 week long will be fine. Okay, this one lock it down. Alright, we're ready. We're ready for that. Back to daily. Now, both of the chart is ready. This is NAS100. Let's go. Okay, this is an index, right? So doubtlessly it's always uptrend. Always uptrend, and based on my system, if it's an index, people look at support and resistance level more than other block. Why is that? It's because usually people get into the market, they play around index first, which means pretty much this is middle school class, right? Middle school class. Something like other blocks is more advanced, so less people will look at that on index. So with that, we're gonna see what is the obvious support and resistance level first at this moment. Okay, starting from the most recent one. What do we have? We have this one. Yeah, support resistance. Okay, and also this level as well. Support and resistance. this is a little bit too far back, so we're gonna leave it later. Uh, is here overlapping with anything? Yeah, so actually we can extend this guy all the way to here. How about here? Okay, this has some power as well. This is not support and resistant. I mean now it's mainly resistant. Why? Because we only see a breakthrough here. It hasn't come down and tested out, so it hasn't technically become a support. It's only resistant. Okay, that's good enough. Now, next step will be order blocks. Okay, this is a very important concept. Looking at this, three most reasons upon resistance. Which one of them has the order block follow? Alright, this guy here. We have order block. We're gonna mark it to purple. And this guy here too. That's order block. This one, is this an order block? Well, technically, it is because it has a doji followed by a big candle. However, how to say, these wicks is a bit too long. It's even longer than the doji solid part. So yeah, I can still mark it here. Oh yeah, one more downside is that the order block is not beneath the support resistance. So yeah, so it cannot have the effect of support. See the other two. Yeah? Oh shit, sorry. This should be blue, and this is purple. Okay. This one not very firm, but these two definitely can serve as an entry. All right. Okay, so now let's go. Let's go. Okay, if I draw a Fibonacci close, but not exactly. So now we do it. I'll put one here. Yeah, it's uptrend. So uptrend. So my first break even point will be 0.5. This is gonna be my first break even level, and my first take profit level will be at 3. At 3, I might take half of the position, or I will take 70% depending on the situation. Okay, and also here we'll put another order. We'll put another order, and same logic. Same logic. Okay, let's see. Why? How come it looks like so narrow? These two. Is it really January? This is May. 4 1. Okay, yes, about 4 months. Yeah. Okay, yeah, 15 week. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's go. Let's see how it goes. See if it trigger my order and form another support resistance. If that's the case, before any order is triggered, then we need to look for the support resistance again. Alright. Okay. This is not obvious, so doesn't count. Anything is ambiguous, we directly say it's not. Right. Anything that make you hesitate to think whether or not is a good support resistance, or is it a good order block, As long as you have this kind of question, then it's not. Don't waste your time and brain power. Okay, then we almost finished that. We almost finished that 15-week long. Why is this so? Why is this so soon? This time from January to May. Yes, using daily. Yeah, it's daily. It's fine. Okay, it's getting close. So before you get triggered, let me confirm again. If I miss any support resistance level, looks like, well, the next level will be here, but probably I don't think it will drop to that deep. I don't think so, but just in case it does drop to that dip, and we forget to put a order right here, it will be a big miss. Hold on. Shouldn't be that color. I want to change this color. Good. Alright, I'll get back to here. Let's see if we got triggers. It hasn't been triggered. So we shouldn't remove that order just yet. Oh, it's almost breaking the higher high, right? Once you break the higher high, we'll remove the order. Oh, yeah. This is a missing tray. Well, essentially, we should put it a bit higher to this. Okay, yeah, never mind. This is a yellow. Missing tray. Okay. Now, let's see if we form another support resistance level. This is a clear another level. However, this level doesn't have order block, so this is not a very good one. Let me get close to here and bounce back up. Huh? Never mind. That's not to engage. Wow. Ah, this guy not triggering. Support resistant. It's becoming kind of ambiguous at this moment. Maybe the next one we can put is like that. That's it. Okay, this is we are in. And in 1.5 level we're gonna break even. This is my break even. I have a feeling it's gonna break my, yeah, I had a feeling it's gonna break my cut loss. Yeah, almost there. Yeah, it's break. Okay, so it's a loser. Let's see if we can break. Let's see if it go all the way down and get to this order again, huh? this is a big, it's actually a pretty big, oh, come on. Mhm. Well, actually, we have finished our 15-week trade, but since we only have one order get triggered, so okay. Uh, no, now support resistance level. This one is already not valid because it get penetrated up and down for multiple times. Obviously, nobody is respecting it. Should retire these two? No, 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 not yet. Okay. This is a support resistance. Yep, that is the one. However, that is not a very good uh, breakout. So we're gonna keep looking. Not a very good breakout still. But here we have a order block. So hmm. Okay. Oh, here. Almost missed that. Support resistance. Yeah, right here we got one, and with a pretty good order block here as the final support. So let's see if this side will work. Will it work? Hmm. It's getting down. Ooh. Okay, it's not getting back yet. Oh, that's it. We finished. It's ready to current. And we got one loser. None of them here. All of them is not triggered. But at least we still doing it in a system. But only one trade. Then we're gonna pick up another exit to trade. We're gonna take a short break here for now. Let's move on to the next exit. We just finished NAS100. And we only have one trade, which is a loser. So now we need to move on to the next exit. Okay, next asset we have is what? Is it again? I'm not sure if this is a randomization. It can't be again because I have some memory already. Okay, so this time we have USDCAD. And the time period we have is 2023. Okay, this dates, this periods. USDCAD, right? So we go there first. Remove. Okay, anything's removed. Good. Start date 23 March 30. Okay. no, no, no. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. February doesn't have 30. Ah, stupid me. Stupid me. Okay, nice. March 31, so this is March 30. March 30 right here. And oh, okay, let's go. 4 hour time frame is our base. So let's look at 4 hour first. 4 hour looks to me is a uptrend. If we look at a bigger picture, okay. If the bigger picture is a range, but we don't need to look at that far actually. But for reference, we better also mark it up. This is a very clear range, but we don't need to worry about it just yet. If if you look at um, something more recent, definitely uptrend, definitely uptrend. In fact, we have another range. It's a range within another range. So range within another range here. Okay, now that there's a well, it's an uptrend, yes, but it's a it's a seemingly uptrend within a range. So nothing. So we cannot use anything on lazy entry, right? So we have to utilize lower time frame as well. So if we only looking at this uh, swing low and swing high, the Fibonacci will be like this. Well, looks like we have order block, but this order block is a very bad one. Look at this, the contract is not very substantial, only 3 times of the size. But anyway, we can mark it and we'll switch to lower time frame to observe later. This one's daily, okay. This one daily, let me mark it quickly. This is a daily. And if you're looking at 4 hours, is there any overlap? Order block overlap I'm talking about. Actually, no. I wouldn't say this is overlap because again, the size difference is not substantial at all. There's no so there's no point I keep drawing any order block. Okay, only thing we can do is use 1 hour to observe, see what happened when this guy come down. Let's go. This is 4 hour. Is that oh this here? Actually, this is a we have a seemingly order block here. Let me take a look at 1 hour. 1 hour. That's not 1 hour. Not very perfect. Okay, okay, never mind. Not very perfect. See, yeah, good. Not touching the. Okay, okay. Now we can start observing. Okay, penetrated directly. So okay, so doubtlessly, let's go back to daily. Doubtlessly, this order block is wasted now. no use anymore. So you drag it behind. However, without order block, this area is still worthy to pay attention because it's Fibonacci 0.7. Okay, but in a lower time frame, we're gonna need to be more strict. Okay, see how it reacts. Step brick of structure. And we're using 1 hour. Even in 4 hour is not obvious. Okay, I don't think it is. Okay, next time it needs to give me a lower low than brick of structure. Then I'll engage. Okay. Oh, see, brick of structure. Oh, no, I mean lower low, brick of structure. Okay. Okay. Let's also take a look at 15 minutes. Yeah, there's a clear hit and go. Let's sweep out. Only downside is that there's no other order block overlap with 0.7, but it's fine. We're still able to engage. I'll put here. Just here's enough, and since now we're in a range, right? Range of a range, and this power has breakthrough 0.7 already, so the direction of the trend is ambiguous. Now we cannot use 0.5 as the break even distance. We can only use 1R. Alright? 1R is around here. So if the price later get across this line, we'll break even. And the previous obvious swing high is this point, so we can use Fibonacci to see if we can take any profit. Okay, here we can take profit from a 0.6 level, and also it's already 3R at this point, so this is the perfect place we can take profit. Alright, let's see if we can even enter the trade. This is not okay. Oh, hold on. Okay, it creates another high already. If that's the case, um, if that's the case, we cannot enter this trade anymore because it's risky. It will be risky. Later, if the price go down directly, it can easily just break me like this. It can go further down. So if this point I cannot enter, so I probably will just cancel this trade. This is 1 hour. Yeah, cancel it. And okay, then we can. What we need to do next is to keep observing. See what's gonna happen in the future, and see if it's really break further down. Okay. Get rid of it. this is 1 hour, 1 hour, this happened, this is liquid sweep, but it doesn't form another doji. That is not a good one. Right here. Not good. It will come down. It will come down. It will come down. It will break further down. Yeah. Mm, since this is a range, essentially we can do the downside as well, because the trend is ambiguous, so we can look at daily to see if there's any good. Okay, okay. This is a very high quality of order block. Okay, this is very high quality of order block. If later the price really make it so far to here, we'll definitely will do a short side. All right. On the other hand, is there any good quality of order block on the downward here? I don't think so. No. So nothing we need to pay attention. Why here is a good order block? Because this one is doji. With one doji, 1 wicks. How many people they kill, right? So kill. Boom, 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 boom. And followed by this doji, one big opposite direction candle bar right here. So this one can almost, this is a daily, alright? So this one can almost just put a order right here. So almost can be almost like this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's keep looking. Oh, it has a big candle. What about 4 hour? No, not good. Not a good one. Why? Because yes, liquidity sweep happened. However, this following candle, the wicks exceeded this doji. Yeah, so it's gonna come back. See, no any power of support here. Okay, this is a good doji. Liquidity sweep happened. Give me a big one. Okay, unfortunately this is not a big bar, so no use. Okay, see, keep going down. Yeah, pretty sure it'll break here. Yay! Yeah, it'll break. Yeah, see, that's why I canceled the order just now, because it's in a range. Now, what can we do? We need to go back to daily to see if there's any valuable area that we can observe. See, if we were in a daily time frame all the time, we will notice this happen. Because this happen, we kind of miss that. We kind of miss that, but it's fine. Why I say that? Because this is a good order block. Okay, good order block, and usually I would put here. It would have ended, but anyways, anyway, we didn't notice. I mean, okay. Let's clarify a rule. Now, we using 4 hour as our base. Then anything happen in daily, even if it's a good setup and we missed it, it's totally fine, because we don't have so many attention and power to observe all the time frame. Okay, you don't need to catch all the fish. You only need to catch whatever fish is within uh, your net. All right. So let's be patient. Keep looking. Okay. As I said earlier, really on the downside, I really don't see any good order block. Nothing. I think this is gonna go straight down all the way to the bottom of the range. Unless in the progress something appear, but at this moment, yes, it will go all the way down. Let's see. Oh, you might ask me, oh, if you know it's gonna go all the way down, how come you don't enter a short side? Good point, because there's nothing I can refer to as my stop loss. Now, I noticed something. I noticed something right here, right here. What is that? Very good quality of order block. Using a doji to do liquidity sweep and followed by a big candle bar. However, okay, however, this is not the best of the best. Why? Why? Because these two bar is not different color. Best case will be that different color. That will further emphasize the fact that somebody is doing different direction with strong power. Alright, this is not different power, so yeah, but it's not the perfect one, but still worth to keep look at it. Let's also look at 1 hour. Do we have order block overlap? Actually, not clear. Even though it has, it's get touched. It gets touched once again. I mean once already. But yeah, this is a liquidity sweep. Wow, this is kind of hard. I'll still, I'll still do it. I'll still put order here. All right, around here. Yeah, doing the upside. If I'm doing the upside, then let me see. Okay, if I'm doing the upside, then the the latest. Let's close this. This one is not useful anymore. Well, if I'm doing the upside, the closest level I should be worried about is right here, 0.6 Fibonacci. And actually, this level, I need to take a look as well because it's a report resistant change. Anyway, when the price can hit to that level, we should be already able to take to break even, right? Because it's already 1.2 R distant, right? Makes sense. This is that 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 mean break even. Okay. Now let's switch back to 1 hour. Let's go. Yeah, I'll put a trade there. Is it enter? Not yet. Not yet. Okay, now enter. Enter. Okay, break even. Now we're safe, and now we're safe. And the next level we can take profit will be, I want to say, now that it already touched this resistance level, why not we be more aggressive? We should put it here. and we have something close to 2.5. Well, still acceptable. Yeah, see if it can go up. Okay. Okay. We took the first profit. Now, this is not a trendy, not a trend trade. It's within a range. So usually I'll take zero point 0.7 already. Uh, distance is 2.47 R, and I'm taking zero point 0.7 of my position from here. This is 4 hour. Now let's take a look at daily. See if there's any powerful thing blocking us. Oh, okay. See that? This is all the block. So very much, if the price get up to here, we should consider to take the second profit already. Which is not a very long distance. Yeah, we still need to do it. We'll take 0.2. Yeah, we'll take 20% if the price hit to this level. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go. It may or may not. Oh, great. So yeah, not very a big bite, not really a big bite, but at least got something in the pocket. Now it's TP2. What is the distance? 3.62. And as I said, I'm taking 0.2, so it's only still one left. Technically, this other block is not broken yet because it has to go all the way up here. Looking up, the next powerful resistance is here. Okay, so the final TP3 may be put all the way up there. Okay. I mean, based on if this is not coming back down. Oh, this other block is destroyed. Alright. Okay, it's not going down. Slowly. Nice. Any good other block formed? No. Gonna put this one a bit further back, further front. Alright. Why do I need to watch it closely at this moment? It's because I might need to do an upside here. Once I take the profit TP3, immediately do a downside. Oh. I think we don't have the chance to take the last profit. I don't think so. Oh well, maybe it's still possible because don't. This is a liquidity sweep, yes, but right after this candle, there's no follow up. There's no follow up bar. So yeah, see, yeah, still hopeful. Okay, one thing I want to point out on the 4 hour time frame right here. Let me give you a question. All right, what does that mean here? What does that mean here? This is a liquidity sweep, but it's not going to the opposite. It keep going down. So that means if we are aggressive enough, actually we might be able to put a downside order here. We might be able to put a downside to here. But again, we already have a trade that is opposite. Usually, if this trade is not finished, we technically should not have another opposite direction trade, because on position management, it will be completely hard to manage. You'll be so messy. Your heart will be so messy. Okay, it's not get triggered anyways. Alright, so does it touch it? Touch it already? Okay. Alright, so this trade we finish at this point. We finish the trade at this point. I'll put it to green. Green. And by the way, when is the ending date? It's on July 13. July 13. Where's July? July 13. July 17. Yeah, I'll just put it here. Okay, okay. Perfect. Let's keep going. Now, from a daily chart, it's still clearly a range. Like I said, if it's a range, usually Fibonacci will not be useful, right? Because it's not trend. And the only factor will put all the emphasis on will be order block. Will be order block. Okay, so with the 4-hour time frame and daily time frame, we'll keep looking. We'll keep it running. I mean, yeah. Okay. No. Okay. Nothing. No. Okay. We have a doji. Oh, come on. No, nothing. Still ambiguous. Not sure what direction it want to go. Have anything daily? No. Okay. Now, despite that we don't have a perfect order block, but guess what we have now here? We have order block overlap. Pay attention though. This is a daily, right? This is daily order block, but I'm gonna put a mark on that saying D are not good. That means it's not a good order block. You cannot do lazy entry. You need to observe it again when the price come down to this area, and at the same time in 4-hour time frame it has another order block. These two order block, they are overlap, but unfortunately they're not good, so we need to wait for it to come down and see what to do. No. Okay, no. On the daily, still nothing. Nothing. I think this is gonna be happening. something like this might happen and then come down. See if I'm wrong, if I'm right. Okay, are you coming down? We go the way up. Oh, I think it'll go the way up. Oh, okay. Okay, almost touching, then we need to switch to 1 hour. I guess that has perfectly proved my prediction, right? It's very close. Okay, let's close it and use 1 hour to observe. Not yet, it hasn't touched, it has to touch first. This is not touch. E. Ooh. Hold on 1 second. Hmm. This is a pretty clear pick of structure. The only thing lacking is that this really this bar is too small. It's not a big contract. Okay, I decide to give up. I give up. Ah, see, be picky. That's a that's the only tip I can give. Gotta be picky. You rather miss a chance than you force into a tray. Okay. Okay, now how to define break of structure? Is it this one? Is it this one? Let's be safe because why? We have a huge power here, all the way come down. If we look at here and we look at 0.7, I mean here. If you say, oh, as long as the price go up, like go above 0.7, it's break of structure. No, that's too risky. Please put it here. Okay. Why? Like I said, we have a huge power previously. And let's have a break. Okay, let's continue. We were here. We were talking about how to define break of structure. Okay, abbreviation is BS. How to define BS? We have two ways to do it. One is using here as the swing high, or using here as a swing high. This time I choose to using here as the swing high. Why? Because this way it can be more defined. And we have a big momentum previously, so definitely not that easy to stop. So we better be more conservative. Now, let's see if these upside momentum can break through 0.7. Let's see. Never mind. Okay, and if you remember, uh, if you remember, briefly moments ago, uh, I marked two audible overlap here, and I specifically say they're not good. Right, so that proved it as well again. They're not good. Yeah, that's why we need to use a lower time frame to further observe when the price get close to the area. Now they're destroyed. They've been destroyed, and what to do next is back to daily. All right, go back to daily time frame and look for the next valuable area to look for. That's it. Let's go. Let's keep going. Yes, keep going further down. Huh? Nothing, 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 nothing. Well, what about upside? Upside still nothing here. Okay, the whole area, this whole chunk of thing, nothing worthy to know to keep close attention. Alright. Okay, good example here. Uh, is that is that good? Is that a good zone? I mean, a good order block. It has liquidity sweep. Okay, and follow up with a candle opposite direction. But is it a good one? The answer is no. Why? Look at this bar. How big is the solid part? And the wick is too short. That's one downside. The second downside is this bar, the size of it. Not contrast. Not contrast at all. Not contrast at all. Right? So that is not a good order block. So we're not paying attention. See? Without any doubts, it will break. And still looking at both chart, this whole chunk, nothing. Wait. Oh, sorry. A little bit. Now it's a little bit variable to observe. Why? Because we have another overlap. We have another order block overlap happening here. But again, we need to observe it again in lower time frame when it get closer, because again, they're both not good. All right, they're both not good. Okay, clearly it's had break the whole how to say, the whole range on the daily chart. Now what we need to do is that we need to keep looking for area that we should pay attention on the on 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 this part on this part. On the daily, definitely too much noise. So this moment we can consider using weekly. Finally a bigger guy we're gonna use is weekly. All right, weekly. Well, holy. Well, actually, even for weekly, there's nothing good. No, nothing. This one's alright, but it's been used once. It's been touched once, so not good quality. This is not good. Wow. I don't know what I don't know what to observe now in my brain. If nothing, at this moment it seems like it'll go all the way down to here. If that's the case, let's just go back to 4 hour, 4 hour and daily. Yeah, let's just use this two time frame to observe. Maybe there will be a bounce back. This one, get rid of it. Nope, no good, no good. Okay, this is long wick opposite. No good. No good. Yeah, keep going further down. Okay, now what is this happening? Overlap. Again, we have overlap. And again, they are both with bad quality, not good quality. But at least we can have something to, something to do. At least we have something to do instead of just waiting to see it go down. All right, at this moment, this is for this 1 hour. Mm-hmm. It's not giving me a higher high, a lower low. So this breakout is a bad BS. It's a bad break of structure. So, well, in this case, even though it get down, we won't engage unless it break to the lower low and then break a structure again. Okay, let's see. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter how high you go. Doesn't matter. Nothing is nothing. Come on, break to the lower low. Okay, you do it. Good. So now let me give you a question again. Question time. When can we say is break of structure? The answer is right here. Have to break this level. See if you can. Okay, still fine. Okay. Now something updated. Something get updated. What updated? That one can be swing high. And now we're looking at this one. Now become here to be break of structure. Mhm. Okay. Break of structure happened. Oh, sorry, I forgot to get rid of this. Useless. Useless blocks. Get home, get home, get home. Now, break of structure happened. However, still need to be careful, huh? Why we need to be careful? Because don't forget in a higher time frame, what happened just now. In a higher time frame, it break it break the range bottom. So okay, so if we follow the higher time frame structure scenario, it'll keep all the way go down. Okay, let me clarify. Okay, now it break the bottom line in a range, right? So if for some player might be doing this, some larger player they might do a shot here. Am I right? Yes, right? However, should we still do upside here? Good question. It all depends on what point you can break even. Now, if take this one, don't take it yet. Yeah, keep it here as a reference. Now, going back to our 4 hour time frame, right? Going back first, what we have here is overlap. It's overlap. This time, okay, this time let me ask you a question. Is this other block with a better quality? Slightly better than all the previous overlap. Why? Because in 1 hour, because in 1 hour, it's got a wicks, and well, actually, it's just slightly better. It's not a very clear liquidity swap, all right, but at least there's overlap here. Actually, let me see. Let me see if we can put an order. 7. If we put a yeah, this is break of structure already. No, 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 no. I was thinking putting an order like this, right? I was thinking about this, but I deny my thought. Why? We we need to respect we need to respect higher time frame. Higher time frame, it's telling us it break the range bottom. So not this way to measure break of structure. This way. Okay, this way. So it need to go here to prove the structure has been broken. Yeah, not here. Here. Let's see. This one should be removed. Not yet. Not yet. Not break. Not yet. Still okay. Okay, now it's better. Now it's better. That's a break of structure. Uh, if that's the case, then this area will be the one I need to look around here. However, it doesn't have any other block or so. Therefore, you gotta be careful. Okay, even higher, even higher. Okay, even higher. Wait, it has become a sideway already. Mm, I had a feeling we should also look at daily. Something may already happen. Oh, nothing. Okay, nothing. All right, then let's keep going. Oh, okay. Now it go back to the range. I go back to the range. But still, nothing we can engage. Not yet. Not yet. Nothing. Nope. 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 Just go down. Now it it come down again. All right. It come down again. I'm not gonna chase. Doesn't have very good order block at all. I'm not gonna chase. Nope. 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 Slightly better. Slightly better. Speaking of that, it has reached this area. Yeah. Then should we switch to 1 hour to observe? I don't think so because it's already dipped here. It's fine, fine, fine. Yeah, break. Yeah, despite it go all the way up till here, no chance to entry. No chance, no chance. We gotta strictly based on our system, not our emotion. Okay. Something interesting happened. Something interesting happened. What happened? We have a very good quality of auto block here. And is in why is it very good quality? Why? Because we see blood here. Money being taken out. And here, double top, money being taken out. Here, money being taken out. And itself, quite a big contract, right? Quite a big contrast. So, this one is a 4 hour. Good quality auto block. With that, just in case we also want to, oh my goodness, in 1 hour, what we have, 1 hour also, not only we have overlap, but also here is another one, right? Well, this one is not a very good quality. Okay, let's not count that one, just this one. This one is in um this one is in 1 hour. 1 hour average. Okay, just average quality, but it's good enough. We have overlap, high time frame, better quality, 1 hour in error, average. I think we can use lazy entry. Okay, we're gonna do it. And speaking of that, where should be our break even? Again, this is ambiguous. We don't know if it's a trend or anything because it's within a range. So our break even point will be just 1 hour. So around here, let's come to here first and we discuss where to take profit. Are you ever gonna come down, come up again, bro? Let's switch to daily. It's too slow. Looking at hourly is too slow. Oh wow. Wow, is it further down again already? Damn. I wouldn't say this is a missed trade. I wouldn't say that's a missed trade. But indeed, it's go all the way down. And I'm not canceling this trade. It might still have a chance it will jump back up and then trigger my trade too. Now we just need to keep the same process. Looking at it. Almost there. Wow. Oh, okay. Here we have a auto block. Average quality is not having liquidity sweep. Ah, good. We have overlap. So again, we gotta repeat the process. Wait for it to come down and do some further decision. Come down, come down, come down. Wow, I think it will come down strongly. Oh, okay, okay. Whew. Now let's switch to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Why? Because if we're using 1 hour, it would have been too late to capture that uh, brick of structure. So we have to use 15. Oh no, technically this already happened, the brick of structure. Right? It has a lower low and then quickly go back up to here. So okay, now we need to engage. Finally, wave. Finally, we have some good chance. And yeah, and also in 1 hour, this is all the block. So yeah, definitely we can consider to engage. And be also using 1 R distance as our break even. Okay, let's go. This is too far away already. I don't think I'll keep this order. Okay, almost there, almost to our ending. Hold on, hold on. 4 hour, nothing. 1 hour, still nothing. Just a second. Just a second. This one right here is no longer solid because essentially it's brick of structure and yeah, it's been too far away. Okay. Okay, still nothing. Oh no, what's wrong with my screener? Sometimes it happens. Eh? The doji with no, not good. What a pity. You know what? This is a good one actually. If we put something like this is good entry. Touch and then it go up. Never mind, I didn't notice. I didn't notice anyway. Yeah, I could have taken a loss if I noticed that. Still, 1 hour is too tiny to be observed. Oh, nice, 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 nice. We have something nice thing. Okay, okay, okay. Something similarly workable. And we have two double overlap here and here. The quality of them is not good though, but at least there is overlap. And the one in 4 hour quality is quite good. However, one thing I gotta say, oh yeah, here, the money got swept out. These two, right here. These two tails. Money's being swept through. I mean swept away. Okay, we're gonna enter trade. We're gonna enter trade in here and stop loss. Then one 1 hour distant. Yeah, 1 hour distant. And we'll consider where to take profit later. We need to enter it first. Okay, that's in. That's in. Break. Yeah. Oof. Finally, something workable. Break even, and let's see where's the 2.5 distant. Oh, actually, it's quite resonating. It's quite resonating here. Wait, it's blocking my view. This black line is blocking my. Oh no! Just look at this. This is very. That's a good. That's a good block. So probably I will already have some. Mine might already have some resistance here. Should I take profit earlier? No, 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 no. Okay, I'll still keep it. Yeah, doesn't matter. If it touch, come back down, break my even, I'm totally fine. Good. That's my TP1 happen. Take profit 1 and okay 2.54. Okay. As usual, 0.7 will be taken because we're still ambiguous about the direction, right? Now we have hope. We have hope that the price will go back into the range, right? So if we look at this, clear momentum going down. We almost finish. We will finish after this trade. Look at this momentum, right? This downward momentum, and Fibonacci 0.6 is here. So next time we're gonna take profit will be here. Okay, we'll be in this level. If we ever able to take some more profits, we'll see. No. Boom. So okay, we finished this trade. At least we have something in the pocket, which is actually not bad. We have a lot of. Okay, so now summary. This 15 period of time, we only trigger 2 trades. Alright, only 2 trades. 2 winner, and quite of them is not being triggered. So that's it for today.